Hi there, and welcome to the training video for Ecotelligence software. We're going to talk about the organization management application. As we click in here, you'll see there's a few things you can edit under organizational management. We're going to start with your company's settings in this training video. So you can use the upper left to expand those tabs, and we're going to go into company settings. We're using Ecotelligent Homes as an example for this training today. In your company settings section is where you would select your climate zone. This is how it will know to compare to Energy Star values for the efficiency reporting. You can also set the default percent of project costs that you want to show as a deposit requirement when you generate a contract. There's also, as you'll see, ways you can override that with a different dollar amount. This is just a default setting that you can change here. Then there's ways for you to update the image and personalize the image of the proposals, contracts, change orders, and quality assurance reports. So this is where you would upload your logo. And that logo is what's used on the reporting. So we'll pull up an example of an assessment report here. So again, you can see the logos listed here. You'll also see the color and the font listed here as the primary. And then the priorities and concerns section title listed here. So if you go into this software, there we go. If we go back into our settings, that's where you can see the logo, contact information, and then we have our primary color and listed here with the hex color, font color, secondary color, and font color are listed there. The greetings page as well as the greetings message, and then different badges that you can upload. I'll take a minute and scroll through those, and then you can see the priorities and concerns label here. Back to the proposal example, so just so you can kind of see where those go again. So we have colors and titles here, logos. Priorities and concerns title is what you can change and edit here. And then the greetings page title, as well as the information that you have in your greeting and those badges that you choose to upload are listed in here. And then it will go to the default of your primary and secondary colors that you have listed throughout. And then at the end of your proposal is the thank you message with that logo again. Back into our settings, just so you can kind of recap that. There's your thank you message that goes at the end of the proposal, and then a separate thank you message for the quality assurance report. You can label the rebate title line. This is how the rebates are displayed in your proposal. So as you can see here, we have it listed as available rebates. For an example, some companies might say guaranteed rebates if they stand behind or are able to even get pre-approved for rebates. So you can choose how you want to describe that listing there. And then here is where you'll upload your legal speak for your contract terms and the legal speak for your change order terms. A couple examples of those. In the contract section, again, we have the logo and the coloring here, and then your contract terms are what is shown here, and then the detailed description of your work is shown there. So contract sign and then more detailed description. And then the legal speak of your change order kind of shown at the bottom of the change order section as well. So again, that coloring is consistent with the logos throughout, and you have access to change and edit that to fit your company image here in the organizational management application under your company settings. You, of course, can do even further more personalization with customized reporting. We create and generate those for clients as well as an additional service. So if you'd like to further personalize the proposals that you share with clients, feel free to reach out to us and we can give you an estimate for what that might take. And feel free to edit this as you continue to change your sales message for clients, updating badges or updating your greeting message to best fit your sales team and your sales approach. Again, all under the settings section for you to edit. Thank you.